Hey yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing the box method. So we're going to use it to multiply polynomials and to factor polynomials. It's been a while since we've actually posted, and a quick announcement is that we're really close to 50 subs, so if you could do us a favor, please subscribe. Alright, now let's hop into the questions. We have x plus 3 times x minus 5. So we have the box method, right? So we're going to create a box, and we're going to create 4 boxes inside of it. We'll take our x plus 3, place its factors in. Whatever it has. The terms. Place its terms in. So x and 3, and we have x minus 5 on top. X and then minus 5. Now it doesn't really matter if you put the x minus 5 sideways and the x plus 3 horizontally. You'll always get the same result. Alright, so to find our first value in the box, we're gonna multiply x and x, basically where they meet in a straight line. X squared. Likewise, we'll do x times 3, which will get us 3x. Now continuing with that forward, we'll have this 3 times negative 5. 3 times negative 5, oops, let me change that, be negative 15. And then we'll have x times negative 5, which is negative 5x. Like I said earlier, it doesn't really matter whichever way you do it. Like if you multiply 3 to negative 5 first, and then you multiply this way, you can do it however you want. Alright, now adding these values up, we'll get x squared and negative 5x, 3x, and minus 15. And our values will be x squared minus 5x. Oops, hold on, 5x. Negative 5x plus 3x minus 2x and minus 15. That will be our that is how we multiply out our polynomials using the area method. And as you can see, this is in standard form. Something that you might also notice is that the like terms, they're straight across from each other. We have 3x and negative 5x. Alright, moving on. We have x minus 2 and x minus 7. Of course, we'll create our box. It's not the best box, but it'll do. We have x minus 2 and x minus 7. We have x squared, negative 2x, negative 7x, and 14. We have x squared, and you see our values, like terms, are across from each other. So negative 9x. And then we have 14 by itself. Now I will find a question for you guys to do. Actually, let me just erase this manually. Find a question for you guys to do in just a second. Be right back. Alright guys, now I got the question. Hold on. Okay, so our question will be x plus 4. Actually, let's make it harder for you guys. 2x plus 4, right, times x squared plus x plus 1. Now, I'll give you a hint, guys. We're going to make 6 boxes in total, okay? I'll give you guys, I'll wait a second and then I'll answer it. Give you guys 5 seconds. You can pause the video. And we're back. Alright. So I'm gonna make a box. We're gonna make a rectangle actually. Doesn't matter. We're gonna make 6 boxes in total, like I said earlier. And we have 2x, 4, and x squared, x and 1. So if you guys see like polynomials, for example, this is a binomial, has two terms. This turns into a trinomial, and a polynomial would be just 3 or more. So if there's 3 or more, you guys can just add like more boxes, as you can see here. So I'm going to multiply them out. 2x times x squared, 2x cubed, 4x squared, multiply 2x by x, 2x squared, 2x multiplied by 1 is 2x, 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 1 is 4. And the very nice thing is that the like terms are across from each other. So we get the value 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 6x and plus 4. That is our answer. Now we are going to move on to our factoring through our box method, which is a little more complex, but like it only adds like a few steps. Alright, so first one that we're going to factor is x squared plus 5x and 6. Alright, so we're going to create a box with 4 boxes inside. Now our leading number here, x squared, will always go in here, and our trailing number, which is our constant 6, will always go here. What we first want to do is multiply these together. 6x squared, and then we have here a middle number, which is 5x. Now I have these for a reason. So we want factors that multiply to 6x squared and add to 5x. Now let's think really hard. What are the factors of 6? 6, 1, 3, and 2. That's basically it. Now, does this add to it's 6x and x. Does this add to 5x? No, it does not equal 5x. But if you look at this one, if you add these two together, you'll get 5x. It doesn't matter if you place a 2x in this box or in this box, because you'll get the same value. So let's go ahead. 2x and 3x. Alright, so what multiplies to x squared? What are the factors of x squared? We have x and x. X times x is equal to x squared. Now, x times what number is equal to 2x? We have 2. Okay, it's pretty simple. We have x times what number is equal to 3x? 3. And this all makes sense now. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. X times x is equal to x squared. X times 2 is equal to 2x, and 3 times x is equal to 3x. Now this gives us the values of x and 3 and x and 2, so we'll lay it all out. x3 and x plus 2. Alright, and we're done. Now let's move on to our practice question, which is going to be the last thing that we're going to do today. It's a really short video. Likewise, I'm going to give you a hard one. We have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. Alright. Now, as a first hint, I'll just tell you guys to multiply these numbers together first. Alright, what's up guys? We're back. Alright. So we're gonna make a box. This is not a box. Okay, now we're gonna input the numbers. Remember that 3x squared, our leading number, will always go in, that's a 2. Will always go in here. And our 2 will always go here. Alright, this is our trailing number. And alright, so we're gonna multiply 3x squared and 2 together. We got 6x squared. And then we have 7x, our middle number. So we want a number that multiplies to 6x squared and adds up to 7x. So 6 and 1, now 6x and x multiplied to 6x squared, as well as 3x and 2x. Now this one, let's see. This one, 6x plus x is equal to 7x. Well, this one is equal to, this is not equal to 7x, but it's equal to 5x. So, it's really simple. Put it in now. And 2x. Alright, so what multiplies to 3x squared? There's two numbers. We have x and 3x. Okay, now what multiplies, a number multiplied by 3x is equal to 3x. What number is that? It's 1. Alright, moving on. We have our final space left. We have x times a mystery number is equal to 2x. 2x divided by x is 2. Our final number is here. This is our factored quadratic now. Okay, x plus 1. And that's basically it. See you guys.